De La Cruz here with the legend, Larry Beacham. Hey man, what do you have to tell, to people that want to like succeed, that people that are like struggling though, that they think they can do it, that they feel like they don't have no hope? So
they got to start with you. First of all, follow this guy. Leaders connect to leaders. Leaders attract leaders. So if you're in a position right now where you want to learn how to make money, you want to understand the world of internet marketing, digital marketing, whatever, number one is find someone that you can follow, someone you can listen to that has the knowledge. That's number one. Secondly, find a way to build a relationship and partner with them so that they can guide you on the path to getting to where you want to go. But most importantly, just take appropriate action consistently. Nothing happens overnight. There's no magic pill. No matter what anybody tells you, it's like anything else. It takes time and effort, but if you're diligent and you're focused and committed, when your time comes, you'll get the success. Now, for some people, that could be a week, a month, it doesn't really matter. But if you're in it to win it long term, then you want to make sure that you have that long-term business mentality. Think like a CEO, not an employee, and that'll help you get the ball rolling.
all right, man, that's awesome. Well, guys, you're ready to get started? Click the link I left in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
God bless.